Good morning, K3. Welcome back to a brand new week of learning. This is our reading, phonics, and letters and sounds class. Guess what day it is? Today is Monday. That's right. And guess what day it was yesterday? Yesterday was Sunday. And what day will it be tomorrow? Tomorrow is Tuesday. Super duper. And what month are we in? We're in the month of January. And this is the last day of January. Tomorrow it's going to be a brand new month. Do you know what month it's going to be? February. Okay, so let's read the date together. Here we go. Today is Monday, January 31st, 2022. Okay, now I have a little question for you. How many letters are in the alphabet? 26, that's right. And how many groups are they divided into? 2. What are they? The consonants and the vowels. That's right. And when you put a consonant and vowel together, it makes a blend. Super duper. Now, how many vowels are in the alphabet? 5. That's right. What are they? A, E, I, O, U. Vowel disco. A, E, I, O, U. Vowel disco. Super. And how many sounds do the vowels have? At least 2. What are they? The short sound and the long sound. When it's the short sound, we mark it with a happy face. And when it's the long sound, we mark it with a line. Okay, so today let's look up here at the whiteboard. Can you see my whiteboard? Okay, and I marked some vowels with happy faces. And you see this circle? That's a special sound. It says shh. Okay, can you help me read the words? Here we go. Bed. Bed. Super. Hug. Hug. Super. Cub. Cub. Fish. Fish. Hen. Hen. Jet. Jet. Wow. Super good reading. Now, it says up here, letters and sounds, pages 59. We're going to do a little evaluation this morning, okay? So let's get our letters and sounds book out, and let's open up to page 59. It's the 50 family because it begins with the 5 tens, and 9 ones. Let's make sure to write our name nice and neatly at the top of the page. And it says, circle the beginning letter for each word. Okay? And remember, the Q and the U always go together. They're buddies. They always go together in English. Okay? Here we go. Repeat the word with me. Quilt. Quilt. Circle the beginning sound. Web. Web. Circle the beginning sound. Zebra. Zebra. Circle the beginning sound. Pig. Pig. Circle the beginning sound. Jug. Jug. Circle the beginning sound. Queen. Queen. Circle the beginning sound. Super duper. Now number 2 says circle the letter that completes each word. Are we ready? Repeat the word with me. Bed. Bed. Circle the letter that completes the word. Hug. Hug. Circle the letter that completes the word. Cub. Cub. Circle the letter that completes the word. Circle the blend. Remember, a blend is when we put a consonant and vowel together. That's right. Okay, you hear at the beginning of each word. Fish. Fish. Circle the blend at the beginning of the word. Hen. Hen. Circle the blend at the beginning of the word. Jet. Jet. Circle the letter at the beginning of the word. Okay, and that is our class for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.